For my next video, I'd like to do one on the new Samsung S26 Ultra and an update it just received. So this is a pretty quick update. I'm not going to get into details of the update because I keep looking and looking. I can't find anything new except security update. So I'm just going to read this. Security: the device is protected with improved security. These changes may vary depending on the model, country, etc., etc. So we have One UI version 8.5, Android version 16, and the last four of the update is AZC7, and it's not a Z, it's Z. We don't call them zebras, it's zebra. So AZC7. The size is 548 meg, so a half a gig. So it's not real small, but it's not very big either. So it's security patch levels for February. So go out, grab that if you don't have it. Let's go over real quick on how to do that. It's pretty simple. We want to go into the settings, scroll all the way down, software update, check for updates, and I'm pretty sure it'll say mine is up to date. Now, you also want to make sure that you update your Play Store because that's not an automatic thing. So let's see here, security and privacy, scroll down, updates, and here, the Google Play system. You want to make sure that's up to date, and you have to check that manually. So check for update, and I have the most up-to-date version. So grab that update. It'll make your phone more secure. You always want to update your phone as soon as an update comes out to keep it running right. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.